cedi. Okwa eche he ya bra what they say bra kwa me ifo so eche he. Where yi bie onye Jerry Justice wa gas obe she 1,000 Ghana. Enti no amudwo omanum hwe kaka. Men kan chem say Fida rise be interview we boka 2,000. Interview dey no dey bre me. Or rapid bibia be cheme ana say obeye den ti a o ma ne musu abeboka 2,000. Enti ni Sean dey and no empire no akai girl. I think she's very depressed, but now she says she's breaking loose or breaking free. Say na ya chaining no. But Jerry, boy in the side of the story, no me pese me na me breaking. Boy ni shemu cry who is Sean where used to know because it wasn't love. Or her benefits are now being one wa and I would who could jai. Inti asem no. O de monko swanre. Monre mo ho a minim ho hwe. Till say Albert no. Eba be kan side no. For now no. By Jerry, make a Facebook comments kakra when you me ja
ya na nkasa no ya kamu na me
na me sao me kwa me ko ya kwa me sorry
na me no we bi ni ade
ade you move yo
die ne no we
on the side
Loki
o de me we no abo me komo no Nicholas Ade Ochos. Good evening Sister Sandy, you guys are doing great job watching you live from Kaswa Roman. Please wish my lovely friend Benedicta Santi a happy birthday in advance. May the Almighty God grant a Shawanyu. Shizzle Zillion Wallet. Also na Frida Hwan no Papa Ben. Hey, please take it easy. Munya easy. George Kwajo, thank you so much. Eva Sari, also from Italy. My daughter, Sister Sandy, be great. I love everything about you. Thank you. Tricia Kenal, Sister Sandy, you're looking to. Oh, Shizzle, also a celebrity is a person who is well known and gets lots of public attention or attention from other people. Usually, a person becomes a celebrity from entertainment, such as people who are in movies, people who sing songs, and someone who plays a sport. It's which there's a celeb no be to me qualify. It's which a celebrity will be a popular. It is a program be an fan who generate red carpets now picture. But as always help me
me ya no kwa no se ma cho say be in tie me.
Timen sorry.
Dino.
Okrakra.
Wait me atras atwe me na.
Why the okrakra?
Okrakra ne se me.
Me kwa no no.
Me kwa me kwa no no.
Wo na pentem. Timen ko. Papa Bills.
Train kakra say onko dia dey train kakra.
Ba dem iku e monyum bia sa jamra wo yare menyare.
Oh no, I won't do that.
Menyare yet. Enti mo sa anyom ne mame.
Me.
Watchna so nim se ne ye no.
Watchna.
English Day.
Yeah.
Thursday. English Day no. Yenko na Magana Steez. In so chan they got call me and I'm rehearsing meeting them tomorrow and all that.
Yeah.
But I make why when him cry make when him cry to me kunipa because when him see a woman me no wedding. Na kama me so yan no abonyu me.
And you pull it koi. Sounds me more Jimama Poli and
Papa Bills. On a more serious note.
Umbe Poli.
Na no me sorry Jerry si jam na wo yare. And name equi. Also si polo swag na che. Me no. Me ni poli no.
Okay, please do a belated one for me, a belated birthday shot for my big sister, Mrs. Benny Sasu Ofusu of St. Benedict School inside Dansuma, and tell her we love her and we will still choose her if you have to come back to this earth a million times. And second one goes to my dad, Mr. Benjamin Ifasasu of Tenatet Heba. Together with my siblings and all grandchildren, we love and wish him long life. From Rita Fantois. Okay. And this one here says, please wish my husband a happy birthday for me. Why? Tell him I love him to the moon and back. May God bless him and make him great always. And also wish Auntie Sally Neza a happy birthday.